So students, I'm making this extra video for math to make sure we're perfectly clear on our expectations for what you're going to be doing and what's going on, how to hand in paper, get paper back, or get assignments back. So you're going to be working on two things: Life of Fred, which is your book, and then also we're going to be sending home some papers that you're going to have to do that are from a book called Key Curriculum. And we'll send those home and you'll complete them throughout the week and then send them back. So a Life of Fred, we're really expecting y'all to be getting 3 to 4, maybe even 5 lessons done per week, or a combination of a couple of lessons and a bridge. A bridge should not take, honestly, more than maybe 3 days, maybe at most, because you're really looking at least with the pre-algebra books, you're looking at 10 problems. So that if that's 3 problems and a 4th problem on another day, that's very, very manageable and very doable. And something else we're going to change up from what we did last year. Last year you had your notebooks, right? This year you can continue to work in your notebooks, but at the end of every week you will need to rip out the paper and turn it in. So every week I'm going to be collecting these. This is going to be part of the assignment to make sure that you turn in your papers that you have been completing with Life of Fred to me. And please, if it has little things like this, make sure we're kind to Mr. Plumley and we take those off, or at least just cut them off or something, but you don't turn in papers with these little guys. Just to review, so you'll be working in your Life of Fred book and working to get through minimum 3 and above chapters per week, or a combination of working on a chapter and completing a bridge. All bridges should be done maximum maybe 3 days, except for possibly in your Algebra 1 book. But if you're having a lot of difficulty with your bridges, it probably means that you need to go back and re-look at some of the information that you learned since then. Also, if you're having problems, call me. Schedule a time to come in. We can go over things, look at what you're not getting, what you're not understanding. But if I don't hear from you, my expectation is three chapters per week at least, or a combination of that and finishing a bridge. And again, all of your work is going to need to be taken out of your notebook and turned into me at the end of the week. So I need to be able to see that. And if I don't see that, then we will need to, like I said in the other video, the intro video, we will be communicating with your parents if work is not turned in from day 1. So make sure you get your work done, you get it turned in, and if you need help, call me and let me know, and I'll be more than happy to meet with you. I'll be more than happy to talk with you on the phone, but just make sure you are communicating with me. But that's the extra math video. Let me know if there's problems or if you have any questions.